Placing some scattered colors within your pattern can make for a much more interesting stencil. Hey there! Today we are creating a beautiful wall look using our embroidery flower tile, and I love the outcome that I had. I used some yellows, some dark purples, navy blue, and I just think the colors came together so nicely, so let's get right into the video. I chose my base color to be my yellow color, and I just started with rolling on that, and then it was time to start stenciling. I love our embroidered flower stencil. It really just reminds me of like quilting, and adding that to the wall just has such a soft effect. I'm covering the majority of the stencil in my warm brown color just as a nice base, and then I'm going in with my accents of the dark purple and the blue. I love going in with accents on stencils like this because it just adds like a little pop of color in some random areas. It also separates each pattern from being exactly the same as each one. The simplicity of this stencil is just so beautiful. The registration marks on this particular stencil are very easy to follow because you just have to line up the little circles and you're good to go. Seeing each reveal of these stencils was honestly so fun because each one was a little bit different. I think this wall came out so beautiful, and I love the yellows and how it was toned down by those purples and blues, and I just think it turned out so nice. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.